मैं वही सही कह रहा हूँ।
Shagnik, now we are live.
All right, ma'am. Shall I start?
Yes.
Smiling face of every little girl is a signature of God's presence. A very pleasant, chirpy morning to all of you on this special assembly to celebrate the International Girl Child's Day. On this special day of Navratri, which symbolizes the power and strength of Ma Durga herself with Shakti and Chetna. I, Shagnik, welcome all the parents, students, and everyone those who have joined us through the Facebook Live to this special assembly. We have amongst us a personality of outstanding stature, Mrs. Akansha Tandon, Academic Director of Vandana International School. Ma'am, you are always a source of inspiration for all. We welcome you, ma'am. Along with her, we have Mrs. Purnima Thakur, ma'am, Vice Principal of our school, is also with us. We welcome you, ma'am. There are miracles and glory in every child. Our glory lies in empowering them, to flourish their glory. As we are celebrating Girl Child Day, how can we forget their role in our life and society? Girls are pearls, ladies are rubies, mothers are molders, and women are wonderful. With this quote, let us focus on the poem Kumud is going to recite. The title of her poem is Nari.
Over to Kumud.
गुड़िया ने जन्म लिया, अजीब सी चुप्पी छाई है। सब लोग परेशान हैं, लगता है घर में कोई नई मुसीबत आई है। नारी यदि वरदान है तो सब जीवों से महान है, और यदि अभिशाप है तो इसके जिम्मेदार आप हैं। नारी ने दुनिया को जन्म दिया, दुनिया ने उसे कलंकित किया। सबने उसे अभिशाप कहा, पूर्व जन्म का पाप कहा। एक बदसूरत धनवान की बेटी खूब शान से ब्याही जाती, और निर्धन की सुंदर कन्या अपने प्राणों को खो जाती। नारी पे होने वाला यह अत्याचार एक ना एक दिन ले लेता है उसकी जान। कितनी ही सीता मैया गंगा माँ की गोद में खो जाती, तो कितनी ही अबलाएं रेल की पटरियों पे सो जाती। लेकिन अब नारी ने लड़ना सीखा, भरी सभा में बोलना सीखा, और खुशी से जीना सीखा। लक्ष्मी जैसी वीरांगनाएं दे गई एक मिसाल। गलत हो गया ये कहना कि नारी है बेकार। नारी एक अभिशाप नहीं, नारी तो एक वरदान है, नारी तो एक वरदान है। नारी ममता की प्रतिमा और प्यार का धरोहर है। नारी ईश्वर का नाम दूसरा और सुख का सुंदर आंचल है।
What a meaningful poem, Kumar. Thank you so much. Now, up next, we have Nishu Bharti of class 11th. She will share her views about the strength of our society, a girl child.
A daughter is the happy memories of the past, the joyful moments of the present, and the hope and promise of the future. Good morning, my respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Nishu Bharti of class 11th A. Today, I would like to speak few words on an important topic of girl child. Importance of girl child. She needs respect in society. The mindset of the people has grown so corrupt in our country that they even don't consider respecting women. She is a multitasker. She takes full care of her parents, her children, her husband, her work, and whatnot. A girl child is a pillar of strength for her family and provides all kinds of support, be it moral, emotional, or financial. She is a great support system. She supports all her loved ones with all her might. Problem faced by women in earlier times. A gender selective abortion where a female fetus is illegally terminated solely based on the reason that the fetus is a girl. The birth of a girl child was considered inauspicious, and therefore, in order to get rid of this, people went to the extent of killing the female child. Sati Pratha came into existence and the said practice became widespread. She also receives unequal status in male dominating society. Girl child is regarded as the future in not only India but other countries as well. To create awareness on the need to protect the girl child and focus on their education. Government initiated campaign like Beti Bachao Beti Padhao are very important as they address important issues like stopping the inhuman practices of female feticide and to acknowledge and fight for a girl's right to education. You can see women playing different roles in different fields that they are surpassing in every field, maybe it be science, technology, games, aeronautics, adventure, or politics. Daughters are equally valuable as sons in our society. They should not be separated from their rights and independence. At last, I would like to say that girls are the spirit of our nation. Save them and stop their exploitation. Thank you so much.
Very well said, Mishu. Thank you for sharing your views with us. Now let us hear from Preeti, who wants to share her views about a girl child. Over to Preeti.
A girl child who is even a little bit educated is more conscious of family planning, healthcare, and in turn, her children's own education. A daughter is one of the most beautiful gifts this world has to give. Well said by Laurel Atherton. A very good morning to all the respected teachers and my fellow mates. Today, I, Preeti Yadav, would like to express my views on International Girl Child Day. This day is celebrated to empower women, especially in areas where they have been neglected. The theme of International Girl Child Day 2020 is My Voice, Our Equal Future, which focuses on their demand not only to live free from gender based violence but also to learn new skills towards future they choose. In many parts of India, birth of girl child is not welcome. Right from her arrival, she faces discrimination, humiliation, and oppression at every stage of life. Thus, we want to be part of a world where girls are celebrated, where they are treated equally
Dance के
with
बाद.
love. What is urgently required in the society today is a change of attitude. Girls must be given the same opportunities and protection as boys. A girl's childhood can and must be preserved, cherished, and nurtured because she has the right to survive, develop, and participate in decisions that impact her life. At last, I would like to end with you can complain because roses have thorns, or you can rejoice because thorns have roses. Thank you.
Now let's listen to Jyoti's view about girl child and her rights. Over to Jyoti.
am a woman who is a daughter, sister, wife, and a mother in all forms of love. My compassion and strength has no limits. There is infinite love and care that blossoms when I come to life. I am a girl. A very good morning to all my respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I, Jyoti Yadav, would like to express my views on International Girl Child Day. This day is observed on 11th October to create awareness about girls being equal in the society. This is a great initiative by our country to give the respect that I deserve, the security that is my right, and the duty that each individual should possess towards my safety. I don't demand anything in return of my faith and care. However, people of our country have not been able to acknowledge about the purity when they hear it's a girl. People worship goddess Durga, Lakshmi, but they kill us. Female feticide is a general practice to get rid of girls. Sometimes I am forced to think, could there be a place where I could be free to be who I am? A place where I won't be judged and classified. I'm just a human being who is born to be free. At last, I would like to end up with a wonderful quote. I also want to read and write and enjoy all the fundamental rights. I am the talent show and I am proud to be a girl child. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jyoti, for such meaningful words. Even in today's modern world, girls are killed in mother's womb. Why? I'm sure Dance of Lakshita and Kamya will convince everyone that they too have rights to survive.
माँ, अभी तो भगवान ने मेरे हाथों पे किस्मत की लकीरें भी नहीं बनाई और उनसे पहले ही आप सबने मेरी तकदीर का फैसला सुना दिया। माँ, मुझे जी लेने दो, अपनी कसम मैं आपको कभी कारी रहना सारी सांधेरे क्यों लाई रोशनी के पाँव में ये बेड़ियां सी क्यों आई उजियारे कैसे अंगारे जैसे छाँव छली धूप मैली क्यों है
मैडम ये एड्रेस कहाँ का है? तितलियों के पंखों पर रख दिए गए पत्थर, ऐ खुदा तू गुम है कहाँ? रेशमी लिबासों को चीरते हैं कुछ खंजर, ऐ खुदा तू गुम है कहाँ? क्या ईद जल पड़ी है, क्या आग जल पड़ी है, क्यों चीखता है सरमाएगा?
मेरी समझ में नहीं आता कि स्लोगन देखने के बाद लोग खुश हो जाते हैं, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ। क्यों हम पहले ही जाहिर कर देते हैं कि बेटियां कमजोर हैं, पढ़ी लिखी भी नहीं है, इनको बचाना भी है।
तुमको ना छूने दूंगी, जान को चाहे चलनी कर दो, मान को ना छूने दूंगी, छू के देखो दिल मेरा, तुम्हें दिल में अपने बदलूंगी, पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको, मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी। स्कर्टी साड़ी रात दोपहरी डर के नहीं चलूंगी, कैंडल जला के सैंडल दिखा के मर के नहीं चलूंगी, कदम मिला के देखो तो मैं साथ में तेरे चल
I'm literally feeling goosebumps, and surely everyone must be feeling the same. When a small sapling is taken care of, it turns to be a fruit bearing tree. Everybody looks forward to that. In the same way, when a girl child is provided with all the opportunities of life, where they have to struggle for it, if they are determined to achieve something, sky is the limit. So let us introduce you to the women who could achieve heights and could get the name and fame in the society due to their hard work, determination, and strong willpower.
Mary Kom, born in Manipur, is an Indian Olympic boxer. She is the only female to make a 6 times winning record of World Amateur Boxing Championship and the only female boxer to win a medal in each of the total 7 World Championships. Tessie Thomas is an Indian scientist and Director General of Aeronautical Systems and the former project director for Agni 4 missile in Defense Research and Development Organization. She is the first woman scientist to head a missile project in India. Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut, engineer, and the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. In 2003, Chawla was one of the 7 crew members who died in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster when the spacecraft disintegrated during its re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. Geeta Gopinath is an Indian-American economist who has been the chief economist of the International Monetary Fund since 2019. In that role, she is the director of IMF's research department and the economic counselor of the fund. Arunima Sinha is an Indian mountain climber and sportswoman. She is a 7 time Indian volleyball player, mountaineer, and world's first female amputee to scale Mount Everest, Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Elbrus, Mount Kosciuszko, Mount Aconcagua, Carstensz Pyramid, and Mount Vinson. Indira Gandhi was an Indian politician and a central figure of the Indian National Congress. She was the first and to date only female Prime Minister of India. Kiran Majumdar-Shaw is an Indian billionaire entrepreneur. She is the chairperson and managing director of Biocon Limited, a biotechnology company based in Bangalore, India, and a former chairperson of Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. Flight Lieutenant Avni Chaturvedi is an Indian pilot from Rewa district, Madhya Pradesh. She was declared as the first woman combat pilot along with 2 of her cohorts, Mohana Singh Jitawal and Bhavna Kant.
Jaita Pal, she is a diamond of BIS, who has brought laurels to the school by scoring 98% marks in CBSE board examination. We wish her all the best for her future endeavors, and we believe that one day she would be in these topmost ladies. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Now we have Chinmay with us who wants to convey an inspirational message to the society.
So today let us take a pledge to spread awareness and to raise voice to save girl child. Just like anyone else, all efforts must be taken to wipe out the crimes that are threatening her existence. Giving her a good education and making her independent as she grows up is the way back to give her dignity. Every effort must be made to save the girl child, provide them a safe and comfortable environment by changing the mental attitude in favor of equality between boys and girls. When you kill a girl, you kill a friend, a wife, a sister, a daughter, and a mother. You kill many others. Thank you.
Chinmay, it's indeed a very convincing message. Thank you so much for those wise words. Now I'll request Purnima ma'am, Vice Principal of the school, to convey a vote of thanks.
Yes, good morning to my dear students and parents. Before proposing my vote of thanks, I would like to start by saying that first I would like to start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding this success. And my dear students, I congratulate each one of you the way you have presented. But let me just brief you regarding this International Girl Child Day. Well said by Jyoti that 11th October every year celebrated since many years back. But 2020 Girl Child theme is My Voice, Our Equal Future. Yes. And it will focus, this 2020 Girl Child will focus on their demands to live free from gender-based violence, harmful practices, etc. And children, do you know that in India, when I will talk about the girl child status in India. You know, in India also, Rashtriya Balika Divas is a day dedicated towards this welfare of the girl child in India, and the day is observed on 24th January every year. So, my dear students, without taking much time, I would like to propose my vote of thanks by showing my gratitude to the chairman of the school and the management for their guidance, encouragement, and motivation. I really convey my thanks to my coordinators, my dear teachers, who made this day a special day for all of us. A big pat on the back of all children, 11th and 12th students, but my request to parents and advice to children. My dear students, please remain regular in attending your classes. I feel it is a golden opportunity for me to tell to your parents also and to advise and direct you too that remain regular in your online classes, because whenever I observe classes, I find very less students, so I feel discouraged. So dear students, please understand the value of regularity and punctuality. Thank you so much once again, and wishing you a very happy girl child to all my dear girl students. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. No, this is not the ending, but the beginning. This is not the closure of the assembly, but the beginning of a new day with the frozen determination which can never be melted. So all the boys of VIS would now take a pledge and start a chain to protect all the girls. I would like to thank everyone for addressing the meeting. Thank you.
सुनो सुनो मेरी आवाज, सुनो सुनो नया
Thank you everyone for joining us.